Hey there, cool cat. Ready to learn something new, fun, and interesting about music again with Imanni music? Then let's get started. What is the mental health benefit of doing solfege, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, with hand signs? Is there any benefit of it? Yes, there is. Because anytime that you get your mind and body involved inside of music, you are stimulating yourself in a way that is super productive for your mental health. And that's what we really want to do. When your mind's going through troubles, sometimes we can use our bodies to help our minds overcome our mental challenges, especially with depression. This is the way that I help myself get through life. So, these are what the hand signs look like. I like to start from my gut because I feel like that's where my core is, and then I go all the way to my forehead because I feel like that's the top of my being. The hand signs are do, re, with an angle here, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Singing the hand signs and doing them together would sound like this, with do as the first do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. And then down. Do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Okay, cool cat. Now it's time for you to go out in the world and practice these hand signs. Every hand sign that you learn allows you to learn more things in the future too. And I have so much planned to teach you. So I can't wait to show you some more stuff in the future. Have a mentally healthy rest of your day.